goal was to have more human connection and different color experiences, so things that maybe you don't normally get to experience in your everyday life. Being able to see color in a different way. You think of New York as like a very gray city, but there's actually color everywhere. When you start looking for it, that's our hope, is that people maybe feel a little more inspired.